In a busy office in Mumbai, India, there was a man named Ravi. He wasn't a manager or an analyst. He was a janitor. But every evening while cleaning desks, he would see these colorful dashboards glowing on the monitors. Pie charts, graphs, maps. He didn't know what they meant, but he was curious. One night he asked an employee, "What is this?" The man smiled and said, "This is powered by a tool to make sense of data." That night, Ravi went home and searched on his old second-hand laptop, how to learn Power BI. He watched videos, but it was tough. He didn't understand much, so he watched the videos again and again. Days passed, and weeks, and after his work as a janitor, he'd practice late into the night, building dashboards with sample sales data. One day, a manager forgot his laptop in the cafeteria. Ravi found it and returned it. The manager, surprised by his honesty, asked, "You know computers?"
Ow.
Nervously, Ravi replied, "I've been learning Power BI just for fun." The manager laughed, but then curiously asked, "Show me something tomorrow." That night, Ravi didn't sleep. He built a dashboard using dummy sales data, regional sales trends, top products, interactive slicers. The next day, he showed it to the manager. There was silence, then a smile. This is amazing," the manager whispered. Within a week, Ravi was given a chance as a junior data assistant. No degree, no big college, just skill and hunger. Months later, he got certified. A year later, he led by dashboards for the entire company. And 2 years later, he even spoke at a Microsoft event. Ravi, who once cleaned off his floors, now a Power BI consultant, today he teaches thousands online. He often says, "I didn't change my life with money. I changed it with data." Friends, no matter who you are, where you start, or how much you know, remember this. Knowledge can change your life. So start today. Learn, build, believe. Your Power BI story might be next.